So they are these small tiny virus particles which lead to a ruthless massacre of cells in our body. So what are they? They are a retrovirus, which is their RNA virus, and they belong to the lentivirus family. In simple terms, these virus particles, they absolutely love human cells that express CD4 receptors. What are these receptors? We'll look at them. So first, through any means it enters our body, be it sexual means, be it perinatally or by a needle stick injury, whatever it may be, it will enter into our body. Once it enters, first what it does is that it will go and find and hunt for human cells having CD4 receptors. What are some of the cells having CD4 receptors? It can be our T cell lymphocytes, then we will have microglial cells, then we have our monocytes, macrophages. All of these cells express CD4 receptors. So they'll go and it strongly attaches to these cells. Now it needs to become more strong, it needs to become more stable, so it will try binding again. Now it will bind to a co-receptor. First it binded to a receptor, now it will bind to a co-receptor. Now these co-receptors are CCR5 or CXCR4. Now it has become more stable, it has become more strong, as we can see here. Now it will want to integrate, now it has to fool our cells, it will try to fool our body, a human body. Now our human body is not very easy to fool, right? Because this has RNA and our human body has DNA. So in order to fool, it should become a complete clone of our human cell itself. So for that, what it does is that it will try to enter the human cell, and once it enters the human cell, it will try to completely mimic our human cell. So the RNA will change into double-stranded DNA. This is with the help of an enzyme called reverse transcriptase. Then the double-stranded DNA will enter into the nucleus and it will form something called proviral DNA. This process of entering into our nucleus is called integration, because it is trying to become one. Then via transcription, viral mRNA is formed. Then via translation, viral proteins are formed. Then these proteins, they'll undergo cleavage because of the protease enzymes. Then they'll assemble into one, and then they'll form these virions. These are called virions. Then they are released into the bloodstream, then they undergo maturation, and this vicious cycle continues over and over again.